In Muskegon, Michigan, the tech industry is booming, but with growth comes challenges. Businesses are striving to stay ahead with efficient, secure, and innovative solutions. At the KR Group, we are committed to supporting Muskegon's top tech companies with cutting-edge managed IT services. Our goal is to help these businesses achieve greater efficiency, security, and growth through our tailored IT solutions, says Matthew Keeler, CEO of the KR Group. Let's take a look at 5 of Muskegon's leading tech companies. The KR Group is at the forefront, providing essential managed IT services, strategic consulting, and advanced cybersecurity solutions. Their support is crucial for businesses aiming to enhance operational efficiency and security. Next is Arconic, a company specializing in lightweight metals engineering and manufacturing for aerospace and automotive industries. Their advanced materials and manufacturing technologies are making significant impacts. GE Aviation, a world leader in jet engines and components, also has a notable presence in Muskegon. Their advancements in aviation technology contribute significantly to the aerospace sector. Shapecorp is another key player, leading in advanced metal and plastic solutions. They serve industries like automotive and medical, driven by continuous research and development. Lastly, SAF Holland focuses on innovative products for the commercial vehicle industry. Their high-quality suspension systems and axles ensure safety and efficiency for commercial vehicles. These companies are transforming challenges into growth opportunities, with managed IT services playing a critical role in their success. For a deeper dive into these companies and how managed IT services are fueling their growth, visit our website to read the full article. And don't forget to add us to your Spotify playlist for more updates.